This month's Club Couture celebrates taking the long way home, a great reminder to enjoy the journey. February's Club Couture shipment comes with the B-size Take the Long Way Home transfer and Chalkology paste singles in Berry, Lakeshore, and Ocean Mist. To add a bright pop to my project, I'll also use bright white. I'm first peeling the transfer backer sheet off and sticking it onto my fuzzing cloth. This helps pick up lint and eases the adhesive on the new transfer. I'm going to center the transfer on my 9x12 Aiden frame, making sure to smooth it out so that there are no bubbles or wrinkles. Next, I'm preparing my paste packets by kneading them so that they are well mixed. I'll open each packet and squeeze some into my color trays, using a new tray for each color. All right, let's get chalking. I'm scooping up some bright white paste with a mini squeegee and spreading it over the little bicycle. Next, I'm using my multi-tool and loading it with berry for the bicycle basket. Now, let's use the detail tool in Lakeshore to chalk the tiny flowers. And lastly, let's finish up with some Ocean Mist to chalk the bubble frame. I'm using the chalk and pull technique to work in smaller sections so the paste won't dry in the screen. I've chalked the top section of the design. I'm going to peel back that portion of the transfer and let the paste dry on the surface before continuing. To finish chalking the design, I'll gently lay the transfer back down, making sure the unchalked section is fully adhered. I'll load up more color and finish chalking all these adorable words and details. Then, just continue with the chalk and pull method until the entire design is finished. Once everything is chalked, slowly peel the transfer from the surface. It's so easy to find joy in this chalking journey. We hope you enjoyed the ride. Thanks for chalking with us, and don't forget to take the long way home. Happy chalking!